with more noobs. And wow, this guy, they were like, I don't know what they were doing, but those ghost guys, they were doing something weird, and they were trying to like bait somehow. Yeah, that TYT ghost right there. He was trying to bait somehow. Like, I could not understand it fully. Oh, come over here. Free food. Nice, you're dumb. Duh. What are you trying to achieve? What do you think you're gonna achieve? That lizard there? I'm gonna feed him and then bait him. Do you want food? Noob! Oh shit, never mind. Fucking just got wrecked by like a noob. I fucking hate you. It's my mission. Oh, I will. Look at this. Right there. This is gonna be freaking eating his freaking teammate. Oh my god. Worst person. Or not. Well, I was actually bad for doing that. Just putting like 15. But I ate his teammate. Mission accomplished. And I'm stuck with these people. Wow, what did I eat? Like literally. Oh my god, he teams again. Noob. Holy shit. Gonna survive. Gonna do it. Just gonna. Come on. Is he trying to? No. He's another road to level 50, but I'm a road to level 45. Cool. Oh, last time I was teaming with. Okay. What the heck? What? 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 Did you see that? It kind of glitched. Team. No, you're noob. Never mind. Sup? I hate you. You're still. Oh my god, food. Never mind. I hate people when they. Okay. That is weird. Oh, maybe I should put an XP thing on. Well, not like mass boost, but XP. Maybe. Come on. Do. Yo, this kid. Rojas. No. He survived it. No, that's way too easy to do. Just run away. Oh, I think in one of my videos actually showed how to actually do it. Sir? Oh, here's the AG free hug. Oh my god, I wrecked his team. Food. More food. Not that many people to eat it. Great. Food. Give away. Nope, not anymore. What? Is that kid that much of a... Stop beating me. Noob style. Run. Freaking split me. What are you trying to accomplish? What are you trying to freaking accomplish? You're gonna die. Sooner or later. You're gonna die if you go that way. Just telling you. Team, Yes, team. Dude. Yay, I'm teaming with a noob for... No. Maybe he's not. Yes, he's not a noob. He's not a noob. He's definitely not a noob. Just split that kid. Thank you. But I'll still eat your food. Because you're nice. Miss nice. Oh, what an escape. Dude, what? Oh, smart, but not smart.